Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to redeem AliExpress coins. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to whatever item that you want to order. So let me find it in my wish list. Now I need to proceed to checkout page. So I press Buy Now button at the bottom, select exactly which item I want to order, tap Continue button, and here at the order confirmation page, which is basically checkout, I scroll to the summary section and I can see line saved. So this is saved amount of money that gave me my coins. I can see that I have used 1 coin for this item, and that gave me this little discount. Also, I can tap here again and select that I don't want to use any coins this time, but of course I will use my coins. So in order to redeem your AliExpress coins, basically all you have to do is nothing, because AliExpress automatically deducts your coins. But one thing with coins on AliExpress is that you should always look for items that mention this discount. So there should be line extra % off with coins. And what I mean by that, if I go back to my order and scroll a little bit down, I can see here this line that I was talking about, extra 1% off with coins. So I can have my discount using my coins. For example, if I go to some other item, let me show you. If I scroll down, here is no line, and that means that I cannot have a discount using my coins specifically for this item. So always look out for items that basically say that they have extra % off with coins. So I think that's pretty clear. I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.